Namaste people, welcome back to my channel and also welcome to the series of a Maldives vlog. Let me take a flashback to you guys and I tell you that I have just arrived to the hotel and this is the hotel. As I told, it's Sunsim Ohuveli Maldives and this is the entry. Okay, now I have to find for my parents because I'm lost because of vlogging. Oh wait, I found them. Okay, so guys, I'll give you the hotel tour and the room tour later क्योंकि अभी तक we have not got our room yet. So chalo, let's meet in room. Yes, you get this kerchief as soon as you enter here, but then I have seen many vlogs where I got to know that they give, but you'll get to know the reason when you actually come here. So it's given to wipe off all your sweat because trust me, the humidity is another level over here. Okay, and this is a kerchief. So guys, many of you wanted face reveal, so here it is.
Okay, Sadhvi is the face reveal and I'm done.
Here is the face reveal.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
So guys, I told I'll be giving a room tour and stuff, hotel tour, but actually I have not even got the room yet, and I got to know after I found my parents. Okay, so now let's take you and show you the hotel tour. Okay, so now I'm here at the entrance. I have showed you this whole part from the heart till here, and the board right there. So right where the board is on the left side, we have the huge table chair for you to sit and relax and enjoy the view. Okay, there's a motorboat coming there. Let's go. Hey, that man is actually surfing. Or woman, whomever it be. Let's go and check. Bro, there's a huge stage over here. Oh my god, let's see what's written on this board. Sunsiam Resorts, that's it. Okay, not the below part. And this was a stage, I guess, to do the wedding and all. Okay, it was a man who was surfing. And Abhi, Girija. I mean, I guess this is all to just gain attraction, not a person actually doing it. And yeah, he fell down. Great. Okay, this is a karma, and that's the reason I'm not that okay with all these activities. And guess what I found there? A camera. A very weird camera. Okay, so as I told you, that table chairs all over this. Right from there, yeah, right from there till here. There is a passage to come, and then later you get all the table chairs and all, and then it's filming in process. Oh. There's a film shooting going on over here. Great. And I have got to see all of these cameras. I'm so lucky. Okay. Well, let's not see about that much. Otherwise, the director will come and cut my video. Okay, we got to see a waterfall over here. A mini waterfall. Inside the hut. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. All I have to say here is wow. Amazing, beautiful Maldives. Okay, this is the waterfall with lots of fishes in it, which is not to be found actually. Okay, bye bye fishes. I'll come back later. Okay, let's exit from here itself. And then moving on from here. So I told you on right side there is this whole table sheet placement or whatever you call it. On left side we have our restaurant, which we are going to have our lunch, and we are desperately waiting for it. Because today whole night we have just done departure boarding. That's it. And now it's time for our lunch. First we'll go check in the room, get freshed up, and then come and have our lunch. So this is the whole restaurant waiting for us. Okay. And then coming, okay, here the board was. Again, over here there is weird structure of a rock, which is not to be entertained now. We'll see it on later. Okay, yeah. So here I showed you these plants, which is awesome in this whole scenery. And next we have our reception. And we are waiting for the room declaration. And then coming over here, yeah. Okay, that side was Lagoon Bar, which I went without even knowing. I mean, I actually entered into a bar without even knowing. Okay, I entered and exit. I don't know anything. Okay, great. And no one saw me. And then here, I'm getting scared to go, but let's go. Huh? Bro, you know what did I do? I went to Lagoon Bar without even knowing that it's a bar.
No,
I don't know. It's show. Okay, I should not show your face. It was showing filming in process.
Oh, that.
Okay, what's over here?
Oh, yeah. Infinity pool is on.
Okay, wait. Let's check on this. What, adult only?
Blue stone.
Ah! Okay, I'll show it you in this view so that you actually.
What? We are staying in this one.
2-bedroom beach suite with pool.
Yeah.
Okay,
Not
move. There are services, restaurants and bars, whatever I told you, sports and leisure.
16th one.
Okay, leisure time, huh? And then later we have residence, so the 2-bedroom suite with pool is the one we chose. And then, okay, these are all
not
our
in this
more
version.
awareness.
Yeah, we are over here, right? So from where did we come?
Why are
this
we
time?
in tea always? Okay.
Wait. What is it? Sunset restaurant. Yeah. Oh, that one.
I
is
need
sun-
that wet cloth again.
And now we are in.
And now, come on, let's go there. Enough, that's of no use. Come. And by the way, this is so cute that I'm still wearing it and I tore it off just to show it for you guys. Okay, wait, let me show it actually. Okay. This was a huge long necklace like this, which has some. Oh, bro, this is Ninja Hattori ka star. This is Ninja Hattori ka star. Ninja technique. Do, 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 do.
What is that? You don't
Okay.
know that?
No, I don't know, but what is this?
Come, bro, let's go.
Wait, what is this?
Bro,
Down?
wait. Bro, it's not for us, bro. Come.
Are you sure?
Take it from here.
Okay, restricted area, do not enter. Chalo, let's go back. That's what I thought. How can this place be so?
Huh.
Huh.
Let's go into the.
Okay.
That one?
Not it's oh well.
That it's a pool there, but go.
Hey, that's Barda. Come. Kids are not allowed. Just can you shut up and come? Okay. I'm back over here, which I don't want. So let's go back.
Hey, there one pool is there, man.
No, we are. Oh, that. Acha, that side. It's that side.
That's what I said.
But I don't want to go there. Okay. This was
Bro.
about the entry area. And next.
I
Bro, what? I achieved it long back, bro.
achieved it today, bro, because of
Okay,
Mali.
fine. So we are here at the reception. And after this utter nonsense, we had lunch and then went to our room. So as soon as you open the room, tarang, you get. We had taken a family trip as I told you. So we had 2 beds extra and then 1 king size bed, and then that side was a washroom, and then this was a beach villa. So as soon as you enter into the balcony, you can see the beach, and there you can see me enjoying the whole scenery. And by the way, sorry for the vertical alignment because my mom was the one who was shooting this whole clip. Actually wanted horizontal, but I'm happy that I at least have this clip to show you guys. And later we had our dinner, and then I had completed eating my dinner. After dinner, I always have dessert, so I was eating this ice cream. Unless and until my brother did we
this.
cooked up a story for our content.
This French fries was falling down over here. I took it and I made it into chocolate French fries, and we are not going to eat this because this is very disgusting. So thank you for watching my studio tour. Bye bye.
Studio tour or food tour. Okay, this was the. And we ended up the first day like that and started second day with a breakfast. I mean, the breakfast had only outside dishes with a dosa. And after that, we were just chilling the whole day, had our lunch, and later we had booked for a dolphin ride, which you can see here. So basically, we had taken this dolphin ride and paid in advance when we were doing the hotel booking and everything. Now we just came out for a dolphin ride. You can see over here, actually, we couldn't find dolphins. And by the way, coming here, I got to know a special trick to call the dolphins. Basically, they stamp or clap on the boat edge, so that the dolphins just come. And finally, while leaving in the evening, we finally saw a huge group of dolphins. And as you can see, everyone was so excited to end their dolphin ride like that. And the boat had slowed down towards the sunset, but always, what you plan and what happens is exactly the opposite. That's what happened here. We wanted to enjoy the whole sunset at Maldives, but then due to the weather conditions and all we couldn't, and apparently it was a cloud set moonrise. And the day ended like that. Such an unexpected day, but yet enjoyed somehow. So this was it for today's vlog. Meet you again in next vlog. Till then, bye bye.